Good morning, night, evening vlog world, anytime I watch this vlog. What I have to say is I really apologize for this late upload. The reason why this upload is so extremely late, for the last week I was completely sick, head out of the game. I couldn't manage to edit, I couldn't do anything. I got back on my feet like yesterday, so I finished edit the vlog today. So now I release it, I add the little 2 days that I felt better into this vlog. So all the footage that you see now is from last week. So just please do forgive me. Again, I apologize. So just watch the vlog and just enjoy. Everything now is back to normal. I'm fully back to health. So everything the back on track. So tune in and check it out. I had the star face makeup today. Come. So people, what you have just saw is so not. As what you have just saw is my boy I try to put on star face makeup, but it not look like it a go work out too properly. Can't not know where I do, but
I'm a makeup artist today, man.
yes, you're the makeup artist today. Yeah. Starface, I just that one there?
You have to record it, of course. Wait, just squeeze this on the brush. Oh, rascal. And it work? Stop video. This out.
Yeah, hello, it's here. That's
mascara, brother.
So I don't know this have to go up on your eye.
You never know.
Forget that gothic look there. You don't know it, sure. You know what's going on in there, man. And see, this is compact makeup. You use a brush. And you know? Yeah.
I'm doing no yesterday's a half flask of drink off on there, then I think I do.
In the science of them usually draw penis on the stool, some big penis, and one of the time I sit down and I say, where the fuck that big penis I come from? So I sit down here and I'm like, yeah man, and them size here like, and them draw one from the teacher's stool and the teacher did want to cry. Cause them draw it with the come and spray out of with ear on the balls and everything.
In a high school, no matter co-ed, all girls are boys, the most time you ever see penis in a high school. The most
time you ever see penis in a high school.
Oh, rascal! In the bathroom.
No, they never put it in the bathroom. They used to put it on the stool. So you know, so you have to sit down on the stool.
Brother, hold on there. And the JC used to go. Hold on there.
Yeah.
That is a beer penis there, JC. Why?
No, you never hear me say that. You never hear me say that.
So,
Make
miss,
sure say
the
not
school
post
is to
this
go.
on YouTube, you know.
The school is to go.
I will not disclose that.
Sound like an Andrews.
No.
Mary group.
No, Spanish Town.
Me blood.
Why you hide?
Near? Man, I used to go JC. I thought was a beer penis used to drop in them school. And this next sound like she used to go like Andrews or a Mary group. Hear me? She go Spanish Town High.
No.
A bit. Spanish Town. Diego.
No.
Jonathan Grant.
You go extra class, no.
We don't know no more school in Spanish Town. No.
In goes the wood.
Innswood?
You're right here.
Blood clean. Alright, she used to go L-Tam, so I'll be a penis MC in them bathroom and them little thing there, so.
So Everton, when you just go Calabar, you tell me say you never see.
You hear me mention that? No.
No,
Why?
you're not gonna mention
At
that
Calabar,
for
you will not see that shit.
You're not gonna mention
No,
that.
at Calabar, you will
No,
never
you're
see
not
that
gonna see
shit.
that.
No, you'll never see that shit at Calabar. Calabar is a decent school, young
You
man.
can go there and prove it, you know.
Say you can
And
prove
then
it?
you have to put that in your vlog, you know, the pictures and everything, you know.
Alright, prove it. Can bet any money upon that.
On the DJ spot to feel my breast. Let them be that, man.
Yo, go on, Everton.
They are tired, stressed out, with everything. We have the worst production manager ever. You see, anytime I near this brother named Roland Richards, aka Jamaican Rude Boy, for Instagram, yo, him are the worst. No lamb, I beg man get me a bottle of water. No, I can't get it. Right now, I burn some fire upon him. Right now, all of my fans are just reporting for Instagram, make him go lose him Instagram page. That me say right
You
now.
guys should.
Just report it.
Bad mind is a hell of a thing. Bad mind is a hell of a thing, my boy.
Yeah, gotcha. Me a skin and bone, me a get maga. No lamb, I want beg look water.
Good money, God, Jim, to lose weight. Alright.
Alright people, my day finally done. So guess I know. Shandar there, show the people them where be my Jeep.
Mad thing, mad thing.
But then I guess I know. Today I just relax there, I just beat some game and just go and enjoy the rest of the night, you see me? No more stress for the rest of the day. I got through too much, so time to enjoy the rest.
So, when I mash up, I say Prince, I get up people. Get up, Prince. Oh, shit. Oh, so the guy in the blue gloves is not Prince, people. Prince down. Roll that, Prince. Prince.
Prince people.
This is
So on the last show this. What up my peeps? But they are police officers club. They are there, so we do it. So right now I link up with Fit Rev. I can feel the exercise already and I know I'm gonna start do nothing. Today is Sunday, June 10. Yeah, June 10, something like that. Yeah, June 10. So now link up with O'Neal, his wife, she day here, I always have a day here, the gang day here, I see some weights, so start get thick. But guess what now? I start back the web series that we do. So I just get that underway and make things work. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe people, because at the end of the day, the more you guys like, the more you guys share it, the more you subscribe and make your friends subscribe, the more vlogs will be coming on, and I definitely sure you guys will enjoy. So just stay tuned. So we're there, we'll link up with O'Neal, and as I say, so everything there, time to get fit. Everything I show now, I'm gonna say O'Neal right as a people. Fit Rev King himself.
I try to get fit.
Fit King himself. I say how long we can keep up even though I shoot for the show today. But I could see what go on now. So just I have a look at preview of what go on inside of this. So just look and see what go on.
Yeah. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119 Yeah.
I finish edit the vlog right now for upload it right away. This is the realest this can get right now, so I'm not talk to it. I record straight from my laptop because, as I say, I don't depend on the computer edit. Might as well just go down on your street. So most people from the other day ask me, what my vlog with? This is what my vlog with. Though sorry if you see me look over here so because right here is my screen because I don't use my MacBook screen. I have a bigger screen right here that I'm looking at. People, I vlog with my phone. It's an iPhone 7. That's what I vlog with. I don't have an additional camera, otherwise from the camera that I work with. But as I tell everybody, just follow on social media, Instagram, Facebook, everything. You have Team Lifeline dancers, make sure to follow them too as well. Bookcam Bling, on Instagram it's bookcam_bling. On Facebook it's the Facebook page is Team Lifeline. And then now for me company page is Just Vibes Production. So that's JVP_Jamaica for Instagram. Facebook is Just Vibes Production. Just tune in, subscribe, and just look out for the next vlog after this one. So I'm gonna end this one right now. So Prince out. See y'all again next time.